Hi, my name is Oleg Pinous. I'm a geologist and an expert in the evaluation of oil and gas projects. I worked in the oil industry for over 30 years. During that time, I've handled a wide range of projects around the world. That includes exploration and development in carbonates and clastics, modeling complex reservoirs, conducting audits, assessing risks, and more. In this video series, I'll introduce you to a new approach to project evaluation, Geonomix. You'll see its capabilities in action through real-world examples, including exploration in remote areas, optimizing field development with new technologies, and uncovering the true values and risks of complex ventures. In short, Geonomix is a software tool for assessing the monetary value and risks of oil and gas projects. It is based on probabilistic methods and serves as an integrated platform that links all stages of project evaluation, from geology and production to economics. Everything is needed for a complete project assessment from A to Z, all in one package. The core idea of this system is to help us handle uncertainty, whether in geological interpretation, production forecasts, or economic outcomes. What makes it different from similar systems is its ability to deliver results much faster. You'll be surprised at how quickly and smoothly the value assessment process moves forward. Today we will start with a quick review of the key principles behind the technology and then move on to real-world examples. Let's start with a quick introduction. First, we'll explore the process of assessing a project. Imagine an oil field with a prospective zone that needs evaluation. Actually, it's a long journey from data gathering to a final conclusion. And the analytical process typically consists of three components. First, geoscience. It tells us the volumes of accumulations. Next, reservoir engineering. It provides production forecasts. And finally, economics. It defines the project's value and risks. Each component has a set of parameters that link together in long calculations. And the challenge is, these parameters can be uncertain, sometimes highly uncertain. As a result, the final answer, the project's value, can vary significantly, depending on how the parameters are estimated. As you can see, this can result in multiple alternative trajectories across different factors. Each trajectory depends on the quality of the input data and how experts evaluate them. Understanding these trajectories and their probabilities is key to seeing a project's true value, whether it's an oil field, a prospect, or an investment opportunity. As we just saw, understanding uncertainties plays a major role in how we determine the value of projects. This area has advanced significantly over the past decades. Thousands of publications explore the topic, and many software solutions provide specialized techniques for probabilistic analysis. However, one key issue can limit this effort. It is a lack of unity or fragmentation in the evaluation process. So let's take a look at how value determination may actually happen in the real world. This is an example of a typical project team responsible for analyzing data and delivering insights to management for decision making. Typically, there are three main groups of experts: geoscientists, engineers, and economists. Each relies on different software tools to get their job done. These may include highly specialized applications from the well-known vendors, yet in many cases, especially in production and economics, Excel remains the most widely used option. The workflow can involve different combinations of programs, depending on corporate standards or personal preferences. As you can see, the evaluation process is rarely straightforward. And here lies the key problem, the fragmentation of the process. So far, there is no widely accepted solution that brings all elements of the evaluation process into one platform. In some teams, participants don't even see each other's results. That's a reality we have to acknowledge. And what happens because of fragmentation? First, the whole process becomes more complicated. Separate tools may not integrate smoothly, which only adds to the complexity. What about transparency? It actually gets worse. When calculations are spread across different tools, tracking and verifying them becomes much more difficult. And finally, with less transparency, detecting project risks gets even more challenging. Instead of being identified, risks and other obstacles get buried in the complexity. This is where a certain quote becomes especially relevant. Just because a business is complex doesn't mean we have to build complexity into our models. The simpler our model, the more valuable it is in helping us understand that complexity. Oil and gas projects are complicated, but our models don't have to be. What if we made them simple and clear? Let's find out. We have a solution for that. Geonomix. It is a web-based application designed for teamwork in oil and gas projects. It combines probabilistic modeling with analytical methods and some elements of neural networks. The key mission of this system is to deliver fresh insights into project evaluation practices, making the process faster and more efficient than ever before. The problem of fragmentation is solved completely because the platform is fully integrated. Each step is clearly outlined: project database, geology, production forecast, and economics. One of our top priorities was designing a flexible and user-friendly interface. As a result, many users say it is so intuitive that they don't even need training. There are unique functions to highlight that you won't find anywhere else. In geology, these include built-in statistical libraries, risk definition guidelines, and risk assessment matrix. The production module features novel techniques such as probabilistic decline curve analysis and material balance. For economics, we offer look-through analytics and portfolio evaluation. At this point, you might be wondering, how will it fit into the overall evaluation workflow? The answer is simple. Experts from various fields use their specialized program to contribute to a single unified platform. The combined results are then used directly to support decision making. We'll show you everything in action in the next videos. And don't miss our site at geonomix.app. So we've now finished the introductory part. The next step will be moving on to real-world demonstration. In the next few videos, we'll take an exciting journey through a variety of projects, from uncovering exploration opportunities to optimizing mature fields. We'll also dive into specific topics such as revealing untapped potential in marginal ventures, identifying unexpected risks, assessing the impact of new data, and more. You'll be surprised at how fast and easy the value assessment can go. Stay tuned, it's going to get even more interesting.